Hi, it is Dane with DS Diving. It is June 29th. We are at the vessel Seabird. I do have your rudder. It is up on the dock. I have got the boat cleaned, the whole boat. I did leave one section for comparison. I'm getting ready to clean this after the video. But if you see this above the waterline, where it's all green and nasty, I cleaned that to about there. Now, for comparison, if you look at the other side of the boat, it's not green and nasty. So let's take a look underneath at what I cleaned, and then we will, then I'll get that other part cleaned up. Thank you for choosing DS Diving. Let's take a look. Look at the other side real quick. Also, this water looks pretty good right now. The way it's growing, this will probably be green in about 3 or 4 days. But you can see it's nice and blue right now. All right, let's look underneath. We get this other side cleaned up.